Good morning and welcome back to another video on the channel. It's blisteringly cold. I'm still half asleep, so I'm a bit slow, more slower than normal. There's quite a few cars. It is another Caffeine and Machine run, but this time it's Stef ABTV's convoy, and he's just rolled up. The cars are looking as clean as they can be, really, on a cold winter morning. So Stef's 4C, and next to it, parked up, is his own, well, his old above. See, I'm slow, I'm still tired. We got the Barney man, he's loving it, being co-pilot. It takes me back to Cars and Coffee in London. All them headlights behind are all for Stef's convoy. It's mad.
I know you're gonna dig this.
I don't rap for the people, I go over the heads of. You can be an up or not, I still got one for your head top. Food in the boot, so I hope I don't get stopped. Top in the drop, take the top off and I get top. Really, there ain't no odds, there ain't no opposition. If there was opposition, that would mean there's competition. Play the villain, risk my life just to make a living. Take a life just to make a killing. I ain't an actor, I don't play the victim. I don't ask questions, I make decisions. Can't put me in a hole cause I ain't a pigeon. Used to wanna make a change, now I wanna make a difference. Can't put me in a box cause I break them all. I lose control and then I take control. Took an off, made a hole. Used to leave my yard not knowing if I make it whole. I'm a stain on your favorite sweater. From the era where you couldn't make.
So, we're here. All these cars, more have joined. But it's all of part of Stef's convoy, so we've filled up the place already. You've got some reserve parking up in the top car park, which is too muddy for people to get in. Considering I cleaned this last night. State of it. But it's white, so it's going to happen, isn't it? Come in, you. Oh, it's been a nightmare today. Still poses for photos though, didn't you? But that's cool, like old Fiat Panda. It's a Jurassic Park livery. Oh, don't sit down. Come on. Not quite right, but the shape's there. Not the...
Ain't no you and me. At times you gotta close your eyes so as you can see. You ain't running shit, you just run amok. Watch it get sticky when you come unstuck. I ain't the one to stick it on, I'm different though. My favourite watch has still got stickers on. Think before you start swinging. You're fighting a losing battle, you aren't winning. In the dark grinning when I go down, but I'm all late, gonna so sharp in the last minute. Either I'm on time or I land early. I keep my nose clean, I get my hands dirty. Took 10 and gave my man 30. Oh, you're an animal, good, now I turn you into taxidermy. If you're a boss, who are you employing? Tell me, who are you giving orders to? I'm sick of hearing what I ought to do. Maybe I should wear a bally or use auto-tune.
I mean, because all the cars are absolutely filthy. It's nice to see the owners, really, because it actually shows you that they're not all just garage queens and they actually get out and get used in the winter, which is quite nice. I mean, it's typical convertible owner philosophy is that if you've got a convertible roof, you must have the roof down, and weirdly every convertible does have the roof down. It's 2 degrees and everything's still frozen. I mean, that's just madness to me. Yeah, doing his own thing and he's not really paying attention today. We've got even more old Fiat Pandas rolling in. 500. Then we've got this one, which is Stef's old car. Nice red one. I like the red and black, it's nice. I've always loved and wanted to try a 124 Spider. They sounded a bit good. This is what I was on about, it's nice. Nice to see cars that are used, even in winter. Nice brand new DB11 and it's filthy. And they've got a brand new 135i here as well. Again, nice and dirty, how we like it. That's good, look quite nice in white actually. Not too keen on them wheels, but yeah, I'm not sure whether I prefer this in or the blue now, but I think they're both nice. hopefully soon be driving one. More baths, and we've got an SS or SSE, if you want to say it, if you can do it properly and tell it. Another Nismo, Civics, RS's, a 1 litre, another M3, a Lotus. Nice cane then on that leery purple. Got a few camper vans coming, one's on the mud and seems to be a bit stuck. Go on, you can do it. Got more coming in. I don't know where these are coming from. Might have to give them a push. Do you want a hand, mate?
One of those days.
So a bug at the car park is just have to push one of the camper vans out. It's a bit slippery. It was nice. Clio Sports. Let's have a look inside this actually, because I still don't know if they're still just automatic or not, or whether they changed them over to manual. No, that's still an auto. Oh, that's a shame. They're getting more popular. There's another one there in black, didn't notice that. They're getting more popular. I thought they might have changed them and given you a manual option, which maybe sort of enticed people to get more. Nice stager there. Alright guys, so this is Stef, and he's the madman that set up this convoy this morning.
I know, I thought it was quite civilised, if I'm honest with you. It wasn't too mad.
No. It was definitely, what did you say, about 50 cars?
Yeah, I think we've had a really good turnout. I'd say about 50 cars are here right now. The convoy, I'd probably say it was close to about 50 as well.
Yeah, so it's definitely an Abarth orientated convoy.
Yeah, I think that's a lot from where I kind of started. But
so obviously your first car is just sitting over there, and then obviously you upgraded to
the 4C now.
4C.
Yeah, and then you got you were great fun. I was sitting there driving down the motorway, and I looked to my right, and I got Barney hanging out the window.
Yeah.
I was like, that's amazing. But it's good drive, wasn't it?
As they go,
As they hoon.
So we just thought about just a ton.
Yeah.
A ton with fluids and everything, and 240 brake, 1750cc turbocharged, straight 4.
Yeah. It's a quick car for what it is.
Yeah.
And I think that's where a lot of people look at this and think it's a much more powerful car than it actually is.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I was reading up on it last night.
Yeah.
It shocked me. Because like I said, mine's 330 brake.
Yeah.
And that would just shoot past me like I'm standing still.
I don't know, maybe on a roll it would maybe not, but off the mark it probably will. But I think a lot of that is because it's rear wheel drive and you've got the mid-engine as well, so it's quite well balanced. But yeah, no, they're really cool cars. I really love it. It's a car I've wanted for ages, so I'm really pleased to have it now.
Because this isn't a launch edition?
No, it's not. So obviously the launch editions, you had like the little kind of can art, the holes in the front bumper,
surrounds around the head.
But and when I was buying, because a few people say, oh, if you have to get a launch edition, otherwise they won't hold any value. But I think as they've bottomed out now, I mean, you can't really pick one of these up now for anything less than 33, 34 grand. Yeah. And actually, if you look on Auto Trader now, there is no black ones for sale. And to have it spec with the teledial wheels as well, it's quite kind of, it's people like that. Yeah. So I think I've done all right with it, and I'm pleased. Yeah.
Another thing I was really impressed by, every car that was in the convoy, you can see the mud splattered up.
Yeah.
Yours still looks clean, apart from the odd splat. I don't know how you've done it, but it's still got a nice shine to it. Normally dark, like it'll go like a matte, dirty matte colour, but
So I don't know. I think I just got quite lucky. I think part of me thinks that because the car's so low, everyone was taking all the crap. Yeah. But no, and I also think it's still got a little bit of wax left on it from when I had it polished, so that kind of helps as well. But yeah, I'm actually surprised, unless someone maybe came to clean it when we were having coffee, but not that I'm aware of.
Well, you have got a car.
Yeah, there you go. So you've done it for you.
Yeah.
So
yeah, no, it's been a good day, mate.
It has. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it. And then we'll have to do the next one.
But it's a bit warmer.
Yeah, January will be a bit colder, but yeah, it's still good to get everyone out. So
yeah, no, it's been a fun day. Yeah. Lots of varied cars and that. So, yeah.
Happy days.
Till the next one, I suppose.
Yeah.
So, I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll meet up again with Stef soon, and subscribe and like if you want to see more.
Subscribe to him. Make sure you subscribe to him. Don't worry about me. Subscribe to him. Yeah. See you later.
He does awesome videos. But yeah. to another one back at Caffeine and Machine. See you later.